Hey, welcome to Trying Harder. Today we have a DJI Avata 2. I'd like to thank Best Buy and DJI for giving me this product to review. So as you can see, this is a drone. Pretty cool. Got a camera on here, built-in propeller guards. Let's see what else they have to say. It's a combo, so it has 3 batteries. Bundle, fly more. Cool. Let's see if there's anything else good on the box. Here's some fine print on some other features. Obviously it's going to come with the aircraft. Bundle comes with goggles and then an RC controller, 3 batteries as it had said, a sling bag, that would be nice, charging hub, some extra propellers, screwdriver, lanyard, interesting corrective lenses. Is that like contacts? Weird. We'll see. Additional pads for the goggles, some cables, and of course a manual. And then here is the care information about getting replacement parts, coverage, all that. Comes with an app, DJI Fly app, Android, Apple Store. Let's see if there's anything else. Oh, here you go. Here's a good view of what those goggles are going to look like. Here's your controller. And lastly, just DJI. So let's get into this thing. Get this plastic off. Bam, pull the tab, and just like that, we're in. On the flap here, let's see if I can get a view of that. Got a little code to scan to tell you how to use this thing, so that'll be useful. Feels like it just comes right in the sling bag. Yep, empty box, full sling bag. This feels pretty nice, very durable. Seems like there's some degree of weather resistance. You got the sling part here. They went and bundled it up for you. Also a handle that it's bundled to. Got a nice pocket here. Another nice pocket. It's 100% polyester. It's gotta be pretty durable. This looks like a waterproof zipper, or at least water resistant zipper. Okay, here we got this top spot. This is accessories, so a lot of goodies in this bag. You're gonna have your USB-C charging cable. Here is, it looks like quick start, some manuals, warranties, and maybe stickers. What else? Okay, so this is gonna be, I think, some of the corrective lenses maybe? Yeah, so it looks like they're trying to help you out with not having to use glasses with the goggles. Here's the extra headband. Here's a USB to A to USB-C converter. There's just so many goodies in here. Got an Allen wrench, some replacement propellers. Now to the important parts. This looks like probably the goggles, yeah. These are pretty substantial. Got a little bit of a weighted back piece. There's the front of the goggles, little antennas, and then the inside. It's for your forehead, kind of flimsy, try to make a good dark area for you to see pretty good, and then regular lenses in there. Pretty cool. Adjust your eye width. Not noticing too much more on here. Next, this little guy, this is a controller. Pretty interesting to have a one-handed controller. Wrist lanyard. You got some triggers, finger button. I'll have to figure out how to use this thing. I've never used one of these. There's your power. Not too heavy, but not light. It feels durable. Next, in this little pouch, where these, I feel like this is the charging hub. That's pretty cool. Already has 2 batteries in there. Very good grip. Pinch and pull. They just slide right in there. Somewhere. There you go. There's where you provide the power to charge these. I really like that you can charge all 3 at once. Very convenient. And yeah, you got each pocket for everything in here. And the biggest, most important piece, the drone itself. This feels nice and light. Okay. Pretty cool looking. I really like it. I hope it flies good. I'll have to give that a try out. So here's the nice propeller guards. I think that'll be handy to not break the propellers as often or as easily. What we got here? Oh, do not touch. Interesting. It could get hot enough to actually burn you. Good to know. Looks like it's got a nice little encasement for the camera. Keep the camera safe like that. Didn't seem like the battery came with a charge. That's fine. Want a full charge anyways to fly this thing. And not sure what these sensors are. Maybe it'll help with landing. Looks like you got place for an SD card and a USB. Should say a micro SD card. 81 dB. And some sensors. Wish it had maybe a little bit better footing here, but we'll see how it lands. Maybe it does pretty good. This is pretty cool. I'm gonna have to get these batteries charged. All right, there you have it. There's the contents of the box. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing for this thing, get it out there. I need to get these batteries charged so I can put together a review video. Really excited to try this thing out. It looks really fun, really cool. I hope it's pretty intuitive to run with. Dive into those instructions so I am a little more educated to talk about this thing. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Any questions you have about this, throw it in the comments and I'll check it out while I review it. Get back to you, maybe include it in the review video. Hope to have a review video out sooner than later. If you can tell, it takes a little bit to throw review videos together, unfortunately, but I'll try my best. And you know, I don't have anything bad to say off the bat with this. It looks like quality. Just gonna throw this one on me. When it comes to posting review videos in a timely manner, I'll try trying harder.